Today we're going to be cleaning and organizing this hot mess. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tamela. If you like the video and you like what you see, then be sure to stick around and subscribe for new videos. We would love to have y'all join a part of our little family. And in today's video, we are in front of the fridge because we are going to be cleaning and organizing my fridge and my freezer. Boy, do they both need it. Let's just go ahead and open it and get you guys an overview. No judging. Don't be judging my fridge and my freezer, y'all. So all of that, yeah. It needs a lot of TLC, but I have somewhere, I don't know why I'm looking over here like watch it over here, watch it over here. I have somewhere I have to be in about 45 minutes, but today is trash day. So I need to go ahead and get the expired stuff out first so I can go ahead and take that to the trash before I leave, so I don't have to leave it in my house for a week because that's no good. So I would have liked to have just taken everything out at first, but because I don't really have time to do that right this second, I'm gonna go ahead and take out all of the expired stuff, and then when I come back in about an hour or so, then we will start on taking out everything else, cleaning the shelves, and then organizing.
Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere.
So here is what the fridge looks like after I threw away everything that was expired. You might see a few different things in here when we come back because I just went grocery shopping and I haven't put that stuff away yet. So if you see that stuff, don't mind it, it's all fresh. But I was so mad I had to throw away 3 things of Pico de Gallo, y'all, because I forgot that it was in there. And Pico de Gallo is not cheap. That was $9 worth of Pico de Gallo. So we're not gonna talk about it. That's why I need to organize my fridge so I can see everything that's in there. But I really didn't have to throw away any condiments because we just moved in not too long ago, so none of ours are expired. I just threw away kind of what was empty, and the freezer still looks the same because I didn't have anything to throw away in there. But here is what we are working with, and I will start organizing, pulling everything out, and cleaning it when I come back.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Frames, boy, it's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, tell me your business if I'm a mad woman.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know, I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know, I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without.
So here is everything done and finished, guys. This was like a hot mess of a task, but I'm so happy that I did it because everything just looks so good. So I'm gonna give y'all an overview. Let me shut this while I do the fridge. So on the top shelf, I have a lot of our dairy products. So milk, coffee creamer, heavy whipping cream, and whipped cream. And then moving down to this next shelf, I have like a meat and cheese. I tried to make like drawers, and these actually fit perfectly. I'll link them below if I can, but everything that I used was from Target, and they literally fit so perfectly to make like these little kind of pull-out type drawers. And this one is just the cheese drawer. As you can see when you saw me putting this together, we have like a wide variety of different kinds of cheeses, which is really funny because Devin doesn't like cheese at all. This is just me. Like, I just love cheese that much. So, and I stock up on the Trader Joe's cheese, so usually have a lot of cheese on hand. So that's our cheese drawer. And then here is our meat one. So beef sticks, a couple sausages, pepperoni, and then there's some like deli meat in the bottom of there. Then in this one, I don't even know what to call this, like things you use a spoon with. There are some puddings, which I keep the, like a side note, I keep the containers on most things. I know a lot of people take off like the packaging and stuff, but I'm on Weight Watchers and I usually scan a lot of my food, so I like to keep like the containers that everything came in, so I can do that. But like fruit dip, applesauces, some yogurts, puddings, just different stuff like that in this one. And then in this one, I just have some blueberries and strawberries, so some fruit in that one. And then down the bottom shelf, I have my eggs, and then that's just the meat we're using to cook dinner tonight with. If I ever have meat that I'm putting in the fridge, I always put a plastic bag around it because I feel like sometimes it leaks, and we don't want that, especially in our perfectly clean fridge. And then I just had this little container that I already had in here that just has like some random stuff, so some perfect bars and then Reese's Christmas trees, because, you know, why not? And then down here we just have our vegetables, And then this one on the bottom, I just have some cuties. So moving on to the door, up at the top, I just have some butter and then some Parmesan cheese because it wouldn't fit in our cheese bucket because, like I said, love cheese. Then in this next shelf, I tried to organize these in a way that most used stuff was at the top one and then less used stuff was at the bottom one. So I think I did an okay job of that. But it's mostly just different condiments, salad dressings. I use this cheese on my broccoli to do like broccoli and cheese with. Then I have like some butter spray, syrup. Do you keep your syrup in the fridge or the pantry? Can we end a debate here? Because Devin thinks it belongs in the pantry. He's 100% wrong. It belongs in the fridge. Tell me in the comments below, where do you keep your, I'm about to say, where do you keep your pantry? Where do you keep your syrup? This is just like a lot of random stuff. So like vanilla for our drinks, garlic, sour cream, like different pickles, just different stuff is in that one. And then down here we have some water. So I have some sparkling waters, which if you've never tried the clear American ones, are so good. The strawberries and cream. It says limited edition, but it's always there. So I don't know what's up with that. And then some waters. And then of course, Dr. Pepper because it runs through my veins. Then moving on into the freezer. In this top bin, I have some turkey sausage, some chili cow bars, which are so good. Some turkey is in the bag, and then I have some little meal prepped lunches in plastic bags, and then I have a roast, which we're making in the next couple of days, just kind of stuck on there on the side. Moving down to this bucket, I just have a lot of our different kinds of meat. So y'all see me put this in the bucket. Most meats that we have are in this bucket, and then in the back there behind the bucket, I have some ice cream and then some extra chili cow bars. And then when you get down here, I have a frozen pizza, and then these are all in these plastic bags, a ton of just different freezer breakfast. And then I just have some broccoli on the side. And then in this drawer bag here, I just put a lot of the stuff that's in bags. So like french fries, ravioli, pizza rolls, there's some biscuits back there, just different stuff like that that doesn't really have like a, you know, a good flat shape. And in the door, I just have some random stuff, whatever fit best. So this Alfredo fit perfectly right there. Some Texas toast, some Jenny's, which if you don't eat Jenny's, like we need to talk, some rice cauliflower, and then some candy at the bottom because, you know, gotta keep it fresh. And then here's just another overview of everything. So that is it for my fridge organized and clean with me. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys in the next one.
It's a remedy, remedy, remedy.